what I want to do right now is on this very last section, I call this my tips and tricks. So I'm going to start off here with my very first item. It's just patient alternate last name. So on the patient card, we've actually got this alternate last name field. So if you have a patient whose last name is going to change, they've just gotten married and they're going to now switch to their married name, you can go bring up your patient record, and under the alternate last name field, first of all, type in their old or their legacy name, and then under the last name field, put in their new last name, and then actually save that record. So later on, that patient shows up again, and I may be a different user, different pharmacist. I don't know that they've changed their last name, so I'm going to search for them the same way I would before, using their old last name and part of their regular first name on here. And sure enough, the system will still locate that patient, because it's used that alternate last name field and combined it with the regular last name field to try to find a match for you when it does its initial search. So in this case, I've got Jessica, formerly Beal, now Timberlake, and it located Jessica even though I used her old last name because I recorded it in the alternate last name field.